Hey, what's up? I'm Salam, and I'm building a course to help designers learn Webflow. Yeah, no code. I'm a designer myself, and I've been learning Webflow for over 7 months now. And during this past 7 months, a lot has changed. I've freelanced, I've built side projects, and I've just brought my idea to life without any limitations. And the possibility of taking an idea from concept to reality is just mind blowing to me. And I want other designers to have this experience too. During these past 6 weeks, I've taken an idea from notes and message on my WhatsApp to a course curriculum in progress. I've also launched 5 times, which has resulted into 162 designers on the waitlist. Pretty amazing. And I've gotten over 50 people to start watching this course with 3 videos uploaded so far. Wow. Despite all of this, I still have struggles, one of which is getting feedback. When I create my videos, do you like them? I don't know. And when I send the forms to people after watching them, like, oh, fill this form, let me know what you think. I've only gotten 2 responses so far. This is sad. But I didn't let this stop me. I decided to reach out to designers manually through the DMs, asking what they think about the course. And doing this so far has gotten me better responses too. Going forward, as I keep adding more videos to this course, I'll keep sending more DMs for feedback. I really want this course to be the best resource for designers to learn Webflow. So if you're a designer and you want to learn Webflow, you're at home, bro. Join us with the link on the screen or in the description. Can't wait to see you. Bye.